Hello children, welcome to math class. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. So we know three branches of mathematics, right? Euclid's Geometry. We know the three branches of mathematics. One is arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. So today we are going to discuss about Euclid's geometry. So the word geometry is derived from two words. One is geo and second one is metron. Metron. So geo is nothing but earth and metron is nothing but measurement. Like this, geometry is derived from two words, geo and metron. Geo is nothing but earth, metron is nothing but measurement. So like this, here we have Euclid. Why it is called Euclid geometry? See, Euclid is a famous mathematician. He was Greek mathematician. It is also this geometry is Greek word, children. Okay, geometry is derived from two Greek words. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. So Euclid was a Greek mathematician and he is called father of geometry. Who is father of geometry? That is Euclid, father of geometry. Euclid is called father of geometry because he has given so many concepts related to geometry, children. Okay, so that's why he is called father of geometry, and he has given some statements. Okay, those are called universal statements. Why they are called universal? Universal ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾರೇ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, so it is accepted by everyone. Okay, so it is accepted to everything. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದು apply ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ wherever you go it is true. The statements are true ಅಂತ. Okay, so what has given the statements that those are universal truth, universal concepts. Okay, so and these statements are divided into, so some concepts are called, statements are called axioms and some are called postulates. So they are divided into axioms and postulates. Okay, children. So what are axioms? So these are the general statements and axioms which are applicable to all branches of all branches. Okay, all branches. It is applicable for all the branches. But what about postulates? It is applicable only for the geometry. ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಯಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟುಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ದ geometry, children. Okay, so let us see what are axioms and what are postulates. And I'll write the axioms and postulates one by one here. Axiom 1. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Okay, children, this is the first axiom. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. For example, I will explain this. For example, here we have I will write the axioms and postulates first. Okay, while doing the sums, you will understand, children. And the second one is axiom 2. If equals are added to equals, if equals are added to equals, then wholes are equal. Wholes are equal. This is second axiom. Axiom number 3. If equals are subtracted, if equals are subtracted, from equals, then the remainders are equals. Remainders are equal. All are very easy, children. The statements are very easy to understand. Okay. Axiom 4. See, equals are added to equals. See, for example, then wholes are equal. And equals are subtracted from equals, then the remainders are equals. Next, axiom 4. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. So that means both are similar. Both are called congruent or similar. So these are 4. And I will write the 5th one. Axiom 5. Whole is greater than the part. So you know that right now part is nothing but small portion. Whole is nothing but full whole. Whole andre purti anta. Alva? So whole is greater than part. 6. Things which are double. Things which are double of the same thing, same things are equal to one another. Okay, children, see here, whole is greater than the part. See, this is whole apple, right now. For example, this is full apple, right? So part, I will make it into 4 parts. Say it is one part. Okay, this is, how can you write this? 1/4, right? See, this is part and this is whole and the purti. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is smaller than whole, right? So whole is greater than the part, like this, children. Okay, things are double of the same thing. For example, take A is equal to, I will take three things here, A, B, C. So write it as rupees 10 or rupees 10. So B is equal to the things which are double of the same things. For example, I have taken B and C. ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So I will write 2 times 10 and here also I will write 2 times 10. Okay children, 2 times 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ. Here also same thing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Double of the same things are equal to one another. So these two are equal. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Things which are double of the same things. Same thing ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have taken 10 here. Same thing ನ double ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay. So both are equal to one another. Next, axiom 7. Things which are halves of the same things, which are equal to one another. Okay, equal to one another. This is like previous axiom. Here we have doubled, right? So here they are asking halves. Halves and the half anta. For example, take same problem. So here I have taken A is equal to 10 rupees, B and C. Now double anta madidvi, so I have written 2 here. Half antandre ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Same thing ನಾನು 10/2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here also 10/2 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. And both are equal. Right now 10/2 is 5, 10/2 is 5. Both are equal to one another. That's it. Okay. So we have taken 10 here and we are going to half anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The things which are halves of the same things. Half ge plural form halves anta. Okay. So half of the same things anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 10/2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Same thing 10/2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 5 itself, right now. So both are equal to one another. Both are equal. This is axiom 7. And next, we'll go for the postulates. First one, a straight line drawn from one point to any other point. Right now, children, if you want to draw a straight line, we need 2 points, right now. So like this, a straight line may be drawn from one point to another, any other point. Okay, that is what first postulate. And second one, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. See, produced is nothing but extend anta. Already I have told you, produced means extended, right? So you can extend indefinitely ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, right? Right now you can extend anta. Can be extended indefinitely, children. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. And third one, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. See, any center and any radius. See, if you have a point here, so you can place the compass here and you can draw a circle, right? So, or if you have a radius, right? So now also you can draw this is radius and you can draw a circle. Right now, children? Yes. A circle can be drawn with any center, and any radius. ನಿಮಗೆ radius ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can draw a circle. If you have a point, you can draw a circle, right? So that is postulate. Third postulate. And next, fourth one. All right angles are equal to one another. Yes, of course, right angle is nothing but it is 90 degree. Right now, all right angles are equal. It is also 90. Right angle is nothing but 90 degree. All are equal to one another. That is fourth postulate. And fifth postulate is if a straight line meets two other lines, right? For example, see, I have already taught you parallel lines, right? So this was given by Euclid children. So if a straight line meets two other lines, see this is transversal right now, two lines, so as to make two interior angles, which are interior angles, these two are interior angles, right? Interior angles on one side of it. For example, XY ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, one side transversal to one side ಏನಿದೆ interior angle. Okay, let's make the two interior angles of one side of it together less than two right angle. So it is less than two right angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, children, the sum of these two interior angle will be less than two right angle. Right angle is nothing but 90 degree. Two right angles ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is 180. It will be less than 180. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So this concept was given by Euclid. This is your postulate 5. See, when a line meets two other lines, right now, the interior angles, what angles are forming here? These two are interior angle. The sum of these two interior angle will be less than two right angles. That means it is less than 180 irutte anta. Okay. So we know that in parallel lines, it will be, the sum will be 180. Okay. That is equal to 180. That is your postulate 5, children. Okay. Now we'll go for the exercise. Yes, first one. Which of the exercise 5.1, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reasons for your answers. First one is, only one line can pass through a single point. Okay, single point. For example, if you take a point here, children, how many lines can you draw? Only one line draw madbada or so many? Yes, you know that we can draw many lines through a single point, right? No, so single point ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು lines ಬೇಕಾದರೂ draw ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But the given statement is false. There can be infinite number of lines that can be drawn through a single point. So it is, first one is false. There are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Two distinct points, and then for example here we have A and B are 2 points, right? So what are they saying? There are an infinite number. Infinite ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ uncountable numbers ಅಂತ. So many lines ಅಂತ. So ನಮಗೆ 2 points ಅಲ್ಲಿ so many lines ನ draw ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು lines draw ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? You can draw only one line, right? No? So we can draw only one line through two distinct points. So the given statement is wrong. There can be only one line that can be drawn. So the given statement is wrong. Next, third one. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. Yes, it is true. Just now I explained postulates 2. Right now, children, postulate 2 ali nan explain madde. We can extend it indefinitely on the both sides. Alva? Now, straight line na tagondre, you can extend on the both sides. Yes, third one is true. Next, fourth one. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. Yes, it is true. We know that, right? No, radius equal. For example, 3 ittu andre, right? No, if two circles are equal, antandre, ಅದರ radius equal ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. When we say both are equal anta, for example, take 3 centimeter and draw a circle. Okay, draw another circle with the same centimeter, 3 centimeter radius, right? Now then both will be equal, alva? So fourth one is true. Fifth one, AB is equal to PQ. See here they have given the figure. The line AB is equal to PQ. PQ is equal to XY. PQ is equal to XY. Okay, then we can say AB, first one, is equal to XY, last one. Okay, children, see, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. This is axiom 1. Okay, when things are equal to the same things which are equal to one another. See, that is axiom 1. Now explain I told you right now. So ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. See here, AB is equal to PQ. For example, AB is 5 centimeter, PQ is 5 centimeter. These two lines are equal. And next, what is next? PQ is equal to XY. See, PQ is 5 centimeter and XY is also 5 centimeter. Then we can say AB is equal to XY. See, all are 5 centimeter, alva? All the line segments measure 5 centimeter. So you can say AB is equal to XY. So this is your axiom 1. The things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another. Next, children, second question. Give a definition for each of the following terms. Okay, what are parallel lines? See, already I have explained all the terms, children. What are parallel lines? When do we say the two lines are parallel to each other right now. So I'll show you, children. Yes. 5.1, the second one. So children, in the first question, see, so with a point, we have a point here. You can draw many lines. So in the question, it was only one line can pass anta helidru alva. So through a point anta, I told you that is false. There we can draw so many lines passing through a point right now. So ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ. Okay, that is first one. And the second one, there are infinitely number of lines ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. So if you have two lines, you can draw only one line right now. So second one is also wrong. First one is also wrong. I'm teaching you first one, children. First question ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. And third one is postulate 2. We can extend indefinitely in both the sides, right? That is true according to postulate 2. Next, fourth one, two circles are equal, radii are equal anta alva. For example, I have taken 3 centimeter radius and I have drawn a circle here. And here also take 3 centimeter radius and draw the circle. See, both are equal. If the two circles are equal, what is radius here? 3 centimeter ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ equal ಆಗಿ ಬರೋದು. If you take 4 centimeter, you will get bigger one right now. If you take 5, you will get still more bigger. If you take 2, you will get smaller circle right now. So when they are equal, when the radius are equal, then only we can say the two circles are equal. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So that is true. When the two circles are equal, the two radii, although their radii are equal. And fifth one, I told you, that is axiom 1. And now we are seeing the second one, parallel lines. You know the children? So these two are called parallel lines. What do you mean by parallel line? The distance between the two lines remains constant. Okay. So even though when we extended indefinitely in both the direction, ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರುನು ಆ lines they will not meet each other. ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ meet ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. The distance between the two lines remains constant. Okay, these two are called parallel lines. Okay, the perpendicular distance ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, perpendicular ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Perpendicular distance between the two lines is always constant. Then we say they are parallel lines. They never intersect each other. Okay, children. Next one, this is first. Second is perpendicular line. Perpendicular lines. See, if two lines intersect, when two lines intersect, see what angle is forming here? It is 90 degree right now. See, all are 90 degree here, right? When two lines intersect at right angle, two lines ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ತರ 90 angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ straight ಆಗಿರತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು these two are perpendicular ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. If two lines intersect each other at 90 degree, okay children, then these two are called perpendicular lines. Say in rhombus, we have seen right now. So rhombus alli diagonals intersect at right angles right now. So these are called parallel perpendicular lines. Next, you know about line segment right now. Line segment is nothing but it has two endpoints right now. So A and B or X and Y. There are two endpoints. The least distance, shortest distance between the 2 points is called line segment. And radius of the circle. What is radius of the circle? See, this is your circle and call it as center OA. OA is called radius. So what are we doing here? We are joining the center with any point on the circumference or circle. Okay, point center ಏನಿದೆ ನಾವು center point ನ any point on the circle ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು point ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. For example, here I will take the point B and join this. So OB is radius. Alva? I will take another point here C and join these 2 points. See, OC is called radius. And take another point, name it as D. So OD is radius. Okay, like this. The line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called radius. And all the radii are equal right now because the circle is nothing but set of points. How they are? All are equal distance from the center. Center in the equal distance alli ella points locate agirutte. Okay, that's why all the radii are equal. Radius ke plural form radii anta heltivi. Radii plural form. Next, square. What is square? Already you know that square is nothing but all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. All the angles are equal. Each angle is 90 degree. Alva? If it is 5 centimeter, all the sides will be 5 centimeter. It is quadrilateral. Square is nothing but it is the closed figure, plane figure bounded by 4 equal sides. That is called square. We'll see the next one. Yes, children, plane. Sorry, I didn't explain you plane. Plane is what, you know that in geometry we read plane shapes and solid shapes. Plane is nothing but they have flat surfaces. Flat and then for example, circles, square, rectangle, triangle. These are called plane figures. So flat surfaces in which geometric figures can be drawn or known or plane. Okay, flat again, flat surfaces irutte adana navu plane figures anta helteve. For example, take cone or cylinder or cuboid adella flat surface. So it is made of so many surfaces. There will be number of faces alva. Cube ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you have 6 faces, right? See, ಆ ತರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಫಿಗರ್. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಫೇಸಸ್, 4 ಫೇಸಸ್, 5 ಫೇಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಶೀಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡ್ರಾ ಅ cube on a plain sheet, plain page or plain sheet? No, you can draw, but ನಾವು ಅದು 2D 3D dimension ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 2D dimension ಅಂದ್ರೆ plain figures ಅಲ್ಲಿ we can measure only length and breadth, but in case of solid figures, so we measure length, breadth as well as height. 3 dimensions ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, till then. So you will study that in mensuration lesson. Okay, I will tell you in detail. Don't worry. Now plane is nothing but it is flat surfaces. That's it. Okay, and yes, perpendicular lines, radius, square, line, segment. Next question. Consider two postulates given below. So which are the two postulates? Given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C, which is in between A and B. Okay, children, they have taken 2 points A and B, and C is third point in between ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, and there exists at least 3 points that are not on the same line. Do these postulates contain any undefined terms, or these postulates consistent? Do they follow from Euclid's postulates? Explain. Okay, children. See, these postulates contain undefined terms. Undefined terms in the postulates are there are many points lie in a plane. Yes, children. See, so Euclid geometry ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು undefined objects ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, undefined objects ಅಲ್ಲಿ Euclid geometry ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ points, plane, line, space. So these are undefined objects in Euclid geometry. Okay, so they're talking about the points right now. So here there are many points that lie in a plane, but postulate given here, the position of the point C is not given, right? Position of C is not given, as whether it lies on the line segment joining AB or not. Okay, see in the question, what are the saying? Two distinct points A and B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Whether we don't know whether they are in the points are in the same plane or not ಅಂತ. Okay, so ಅಂದ್ರೆ question is not proper. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why it is undefined terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, children. See, if you have a question, it should have correct meaning, alva? It should be meaningful. Illa andre namge two distinct point A and B antandre ashte antandre we don't know whether they are in the same plane or not anta. So that's why these are called undefined terms anta. Okay, and these postulates consistent when we deal with these two situations. Point C is lying on the line segment AB between A and B, and point C does not lie on the line segment AB. Okay, they don't follow from Euclid's postulate. They follow the axioms. Okay, children, next question. If a point C lies between two points A and B, here we have A and B 2 points. So C lies between A and B. Okay, C lies between A and B. AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to CB or BC. So ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then you had to prove AC ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ C is a midpoint. Midpoint ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ AC is equal to half of AB ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, AC ಏನಿದೆ, this is half of the line. So what is given here? We know that AC is equal to BC. It is given in the question. Okay, children. Now what I am going to do, adding AC on both the sides. So AC ನ ನಾವು two sides add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So AC plus AC, BC plus AC. AC ನ right hand side, left hand side add ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. AC plus AC is 2AC and BC plus AC. What can you write? BC plus AC? BC plus AC. ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು? Yes, it is AB. ಅಲ್ವಾ? So BC plus AC ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು AB ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So AB is equal to, we know that BC plus, so what I write is 2AC is equal to AB. So AC is equal to, ಈ 2 ನ shift ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, it comes to denominator. So half of AB. Okay children, so ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ easy ಇದೆ. AC is equal to BC. So add AC on both the sides. Okay, so you will get the answer. So AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. 2AC ಬರುತ್ತೆ, BC plus AC plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು AB ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So then you will get AC is equal to half of AB. Now question number 5. So C is called midpoint of the line segment in previous question. Okay, prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Yes, see each line has only one midpoint. Two midpoints ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಒಂದೇ midpoint ಇರುತ್ತೆ. For example, if it is 10 centimeter line, which is the midpoint here? 5 ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right now 5 is the midpoint. ಈ ಕಡೆ 5 centimeter, ಈ ಕಡೆ 5 centimeter, right? So it is 10. So 5 is midpoint of 10 centimeter right now. So we can't get two midpoints. So like that you are going to prove. Okay children, so here AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to PB. See, we are going to assume here, okay? So this is fifth question, 5.1 exercise. Point C is midpoint of AB, right? Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Okay children, see here, take AB is a line segment and here P is the midpoint of AB, and I'll take another line segment, that is CD, and the midpoint is Q. P is midpoint of AB, right? So you can write here AP is equal to PB, right? So here Q is midpoint of CD, so you can write CQ is equal to QD, or you can write, so previously in ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ AP is equal to half of AB, right now. So ಈಗ ತಾನೇ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So here CQ is equal to half of CD, right? CQ is equal to half of CD, right? Then AP is equal to what can you write here? CQ. ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? AP is equal to CQ is possible only when P and Q coincide. So here AP is equal to CQ is possible when P and Q coincide. Okay, so point P lies on Q. Okay, see what are the saying, children? AP is equal to CQ. Notice when P and Q coincide, okay, P and Q coincide when P lies on the point Q. Okay, see ಇದೆರಡು coincide ಆದ್ರೆ, for example ಇದು 5 centimeter, ಇದು 5 centimeter, ಎರಡು coincide ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so P ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? P lies on Q. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ AB ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೋ, ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್. CD ಇದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? CD ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and here only you will get the point Q, right? No, so both are same points. P and Q are same points anta. Okay, P and C coincide ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು coincide ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. P lies on Q. So that's why we can say there is only one midpoint for a line segment. Okay. And next one, sixth question. If AC is equal to BD, if AC is equal to BD, then prove that AB is equal to CD. I will draw the figure, children. See here you have a line segment A, B, this is C and D. So what is given in the figure? Given AC is equal to BD. See AC ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? A ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. AC is equal to BD. Okay, from here to here. Okay, these two. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? AC and BD. AC is equal to BD. So now children, according to Axiom 3, now you are going to prove AB is equal to CD. So ನಿಮಗೆ ABCD ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ you have to subtract it, right? No, subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ AB ಮತ್ತೆ CD ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ AC ಇದೆ, BD ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ axiom 3 here. What is third axiom ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so I will explain you now. If equals or subtracted from equals. Okay, children. See, equals are added to equal. That is second axiom. Third one is when equals are subtracted from equal, then the remainders are equal. Remainders are equal. See, while doing the sum, you should write all these things, children. So, axiom 3 anta mention madlebeku. Okay. So, now given. So, already given, what is given here? AC is equal to BD, right? So, now from the figure, how can you write AC na heg baribodu ನೀವು? AC is equal to, I will write as AB plus BC, right? AB plus BC. ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ನೀವು? AC ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀನಿ? AB plus BC. Okay, children? AB plus BC, that is equal to what? AC, right? So how can you write BD? BD is equal to BC plus ನೋಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ BD ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? BC plus CD. See, I am writing this BC plus CD, right? So now substitute in that AC place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? AB plus BC ಹಾಕಿ. AB plus BC, that is equal to BD is equal to ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ? BC plus CD. Okay, children. Now we are going to subtract. Okay, subtract. See, ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So you know to cancel, no? BC ನಮಗೆ left hand side ಇದೆ and BC is in right hand side. So you can cancel directly, no problem. BC and BC gets cancelled. Then AB is equal to, that is equal to CD. You can write directly or subtraction, you can bring it into left hand side minus BC agate. BC minus BC cancel agate. AB is equal to CD. Okay, children. So this is what you are going to prove. Okay, all of you understood. So AC is equal to BD, it is given. So how I have written AC? AB plus BC anta ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. BD as BC plus CD. Okay, now write the equations. So BC gets cancelled. AB is equal to CD. Or you can write here, subtract BC on both the sides. So according to axiom 3, see, ನೀವು ಇದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, no problem. Direct ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. And here minus BC, see, equals are subtracted from equals ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So equals, so BC, I'm going to subtract BC on both the sides. AB plus BC minus BC. Okay, children, ನಾನು minus equals na subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So what you have in right hand side? BC plus CD minus BC. So now what happens? BC cancels here. BC cancels. AB is equal to CD. Okay, when equals are ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು BC ನ subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ BC subtract ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. When equals are subtracted from equals, okay, then remainders are equal. See, AB is equal to CD. That is what your sixth question. Yes, seventh one. You have to explain axiom 5. So which is axiom 5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ whole is greater than, so already I have explained this right now, greater than the part. Part andre chikkadu, whole andre doddadu. This is smaller, this is bigger, we know that alva. So one the cake tegondaga nimge, so this is only one part of the cake, this is called part, this is smaller. Whole andre poorthi cake, so that is whole part, that is bigger alva. Then we can say whole is greater than the part. That is axiom 5. See here, it is known as universal truth. Right now, already I have told you these are called universal truth because it holds good true in any field. Okay, that is true everywhere, right? So that's why it is called universal truth. For example, take A, B, C, then we can write T is equal to A plus B plus C. Right now, so A plus B plus C is full ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ total T ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, right? T is equal to A. Here you can write T is whole part. Can you say T is greater than A? A plus B plus C is equal to T ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So T is greater than A, or T is greater than B, or you can say T is greater than C, or right now, so whole is greater than the part. Next one, for example, here you have two cases. For example, consider continent Asia. See, Asia is a continent. Okay, for example, take India. India is a country. So here, country, continent under full, alva, whole thing. It is greater than part. India is part of Asia, alva. India is part of Asia. So Asia is bigger. India is smaller. It is the part and it is whole. Right? So nimge ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so these axioms are called universal truth anta. Okay, these are universal truth. So you can apply in other branches also, but what about postulate? It is related only to the geometry. Next one, two point two. First one, write fifth postulate. Okay, so that it would be easier to understand. What is your fifth postulate, children? One second. I'll show you the question. Yes. Here, Euclid's fifth postulates. I have explained this when the transversal meet two lines, the interior two angles ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, it will be less than two right angles, right? No? So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ. So it will be less than two right angle, less than 180 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which sum of the angles is less than two right angles. Euclid's fifth postulate is about parallel lines. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Parallel lines are the lines which do not intersect. You know that right now. Parallel lines can be two or more lines. It is the perpendicular distance remains constant always, right? If x does not lie on A, then we can draw a line through x which will be parallel to that of line A. There can be only one line that can be drawn through a point x which are parallel to the given line. And this is your second question. Euclid's fifth postulate. Okay, now once again same thing, children. See here, 2 sum of 2 and 4. It will be less than 2 right angles. 2 plus 4 is equal to 180. 1 plus 3 is equal to 180. And also 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. 3 plus 4 is equal to 180. Already I have explained you all the concepts in parallel lines. Right now, see, interior angles yavdu 1, 2, 3, 4 are interior angle. Here 1 and 3. 1 and 3, the sum of these two will be 180. Alva? Interior angles na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. These two, the sum of 2 and 4 is equal to 180. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 180. So, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 180 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Fifth postulate does. Yes, children. This is what your Euclid geometry. I think you understood. So in this lesson, they will ask you mainly axioms and postulates. They will ask any 3 or 4 axioms and postulates. Okay, but you should know, or you have to read all the axioms and postulates. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪಾಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲೆಸನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. We'll start the new lesson in the next class. Okay, keep practicing, children. Thank you.